Again, in the workshop, Lexus RX, similar platform with the Toyota. It came in for security, and I want to talk about the latest update on the Ghost Immobiliser. We're also going to show you how it works. Before that, I want to state that those cars, they need secure update security, because it happens so often to be attacks. We've seen so many. We have quite a lot of videos of them being stolen. We have videos about bumper alarm upgrade, but I just want to show how the Ghost works on this car. And it's an update that has been released no long ago, and I think it's quite interesting to see it. So if you come inside, obviously key is needed to turn the ignition on, foot on the brake, ready sign comes on. In theory, this car will be ready to go. However, trying to select the drive, the gear jumps from drive to park, it doesn't engage. Same with the reverse. This is because the Ghost is active and will prevent transmission from engaging. You have the ready come on straight away, but transmission is locked. So this is the update on the Ghost. Previous version was working differently. You could not turn the ignition on, turn the engine on. You should have disabled Ghost first. To be honest, I think it's better like this, because the hybrid cars, they have a small battery, so it's good to turn the engine on straight away so the low voltage battery gets charged. Anyway, leave that on a side. I'm gonna disarm the Ghost to show how the transmission gets engaged. Disarming of the Ghost Immobiliser can be done two ways. Manual way, introducing the code from the buttons inside the car. There's obviously a second way where a Bluetooth device, either a phone or a tag, can be paired with the Ghost, and as soon as one of those devices in the proximity of the car, the Ghost will be disabled. We only have the manual option now. We've got a generic code, but I don't want to show it. We're gonna press the code. We're gonna hear two beeps, and then the transmission is going to be enabled. So now I'm gonna put the code. We're gonna hear a beep and also a flash on the light. 2 seconds, we need to try again. So the light has flashed. That was the indication the Ghost is has recognized the disarming procedure. Engagement on the drive, it's on, and now the car can be driven. So this is the update on the Ghost Immobiliser. There's another big update that is due to come, and we're gonna announce it soon. But this platform is continuously developing, offering protection to many car protection that is so much needed. That's the way it works on the Toyota and Lexus vehicles.